You know, if you squint your eye, you get lost and found vibes a little bit. Come on, man. I know y'all see it, man. I know the sneakers sitting a little bit, but they fire. Oh, pardon me, wrong shoe. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to do a full in-depth review on a Nike Dunk Low Split Chicago Split, homage to Home Dunk. We've seen this colorway before. We know. Bread colorway is like, I'm going to say it, it's the most popular Jordan colorway. I know some people might lean towards the UNCs, and some people might even lean towards the Lannies, but the bread colorway played for the Bulls for almost his whole career. Gotta be the best colorway in the Jordan. So sometimes it sinks out to the Dunk, Bo Jacksons, Foamposites. They all, even Kobe's, they all kind of took the bread colorway at one point in their silhouette career. But this right here, the Chicago Split, I am feeling, guys. Not only am I feeling where they split it and how they split it, the quality's okay too, man. So I showed y'all the B-roll. You know we don't talk too long here. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So now we on to my first gripe. I think this box should have been red and black, guys. I know the regular Nike Dunk Low in-high box is orange or dark red, and if it don't have no nostalgia, no history behind the shoe, this the box we get. But I feel like for this one, they should have changed the box. But you get the regular Nike Dunk box, and it reads Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM, University Red and Black. When you flip open the lid, same Nike Dunk tissue paper, and we gonna start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. And here's a 360 view of the Chicago Split Nike Dunk Low. I went with the right because this is the one that comes with another pair of shoelaces, and just like Nike said, they're getting rid of the bags. They're not good for the earth. So you either get it just wrapped around like this, or you get that nice move to zero box you get with Jordan 1s. So yeah, you've seen a 360 view. Now earlier I told you I love where it splits and the swoosh tells the story. Of course you got the white background sandwich, no tumbleness, but I don't think we really look for dunks with tumbleness. But just the vibe of the color gives me a Jordan 1 look, so I had to talk about the tumbleness. But no tumbleness there, but you get nice PRM black leather swoosh that switched to gray once you hit the red and the other patch of white, and that is a dope look, guys. Toe box here, not your regular Dunk leather, man. Like, this toe box here has some PRM to it. I put it side by side with the Dunk and with the Panda, and this leather is a little more better. But around that leather, you do get more good leather. Looks like pigskin football, red colorway. This leather's leathering, guys. Definitely a lot of tumbleness on this leather around the toe box, all the way up. Another highlight of the sneaker, I love the way they did the Nike logo. Now, y'all know this is my favorite logo. I know it is very OG and original and regular, but now that they added the gray on type of the black, so the top has the OG Nike font, and at the bottom you get a different font there. A little play on the font, looks more graffiti-like, but it reads Nike in a different Chicago Split way. Very dope. If you look close to the bottom, you get like a OG vintage sole, mixed with the gray, mixed with the black, just like the swoosh. So if you look at the swoosh, gray, black, the sole, gray, black, and that creeps in on the bottom also, as you got gray in the front, then black creeps in at the bottom. Super dope look, man. I don't know why these are being slept on. Let's talk about the tongue real quick. Regular Nike Dunk tongue, not an SB, so you don't get the fat look. But regular Nike Dunk has Nike in orange there. Comes in your black shoelaces, but like I told you, it comes equipped with white. I think it should have came equipped with gray, but that's not really nothing to really be mad about. Got a red Nike swoosh in there with that same Nike logo mashup that we got here. Right to left, nothing changed in the shoe. They both have that funny Nike logo at the back. Both have the gray to the black. And everything adds up, guys. I do have no glue stains, but I do have a little bit of needle and thread issue there, but one clip of the scissor, that'll be done. Yes, sir, guys. So Nike and Jordan done tried this colorway a million times. It doesn't always hit. The homage to Holmes were... If you got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing. I did have a numbered pair. I had a regular pair. As soon as you put them on, they crack up, man. The quality was bad. The thought, dope. The colorway, dope. The quality was bad. These here, man, I haven't put on foot yet, but it says PRM, so the leather's supposed to be a little bit better. But I really like these, man. And if you ain't got a pair of these yet, just don't want them by now, man, because, like, they're everywhere, man. They're restocking everywhere. The woman color, the women's, the kids, the preschool, the GS, the men. So, let me know if you're still having trouble getting these pandas, man. I'll get a link to you. But these are sitting also, guys. I don't know how long. Once people get hip to this sneaker, man, I don't see it sitting for long, barring a restock. I got my pair from Hibbett Sports release date, but since then, DTRL done caught some, Shoe Palace. So it's a lot of pairs out there, man. Right now, GOAT wants 130, StockX about 119 after tax, and I paid retail. I think I paid about 122. So is right there, man. Either way you want to do it. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Get this to 10 likes and I double back with a hotter style. Everybody, get rich.